Here's an easy everyday makeup look for beginners. This is a clean makeup look, so you need a really clean base. My current favorites, no ad. Mist first. Do you guys see this glow? Obsessed with this thing. And this toner. Hallelujah. The best thing ever. Oh my gosh, this makes your skin look so pretty. I love this so much. I've been giving it all to my friends. I don't have any more for myself. And the same serum with it. It sounds like an ad because there's two of the same brand, but seriously, I'm just in love with this thing. Watch how pretty your skin looks after you apply this. Look at my skin. Now, BB cream. Perfect for every day. I'm using a brush and just glide over it. Look how seamlessly this blends in. Oh my god. Seriously, the best BB cream ever. And this is how it looks after. It leaves such a pretty healthy glow. I love this thing so much. Now we're gonna go on with our blush. This is shade Pure Cake. So pretty. But it is always sold out, so you make sure you grab it if you see it in stock. This is really good for warm tones or neutral tones, and apply it all over the lid. And I go on with this point brush on your under eyes all over, and again here. Now I'm gonna go on with my Loopy Color Cram palette, just this one for our aegosar right here. Well, the whole point of an aegosar is to make the middle of your face look shorter, and a lot of Koreans like to make their middle look shorter because it makes them look younger. But there's a lot of people who don't prefer aegosar, like Rose from Blackpink. She doesn't do aegosar because her middle part is already pretty short, so it'll just make her face look really stuffy if she does do aegosar. I do like putting aegosar on, so I'm going to emphasize that one more time with a lighter shade in the middle like that. Then let's use the same aegosar shade again and shade the outer part of her eyes just a little bit and bring it all in. Do you guys see how I did that? I did this, I bring it all the way in, and then a little bit on the inner corners. Now we're done with that. I just clip my eyelashes. Now let's lightly contour our face. We're gonna contour over here, skip the middle hollow, just go straight down and under the jaw. The reason why a lot of Koreans don't like to put it on the hollows is because Korean makeup likes to have the egg-shaped look. That's why we don't emphasize down here. Now when you're contouring your nose, you don't want to contour it like this. You want to contour it under that bone right here. See this bone right here? We're contouring right there and bringing it down. And then with your brush, we don't want to brush it down like that. We want to brush it upwards like this. This is going to give a more natural contour instead of a harsh line and giving too much of a shadow here. Let's go on back with our brush. This is a really good and affordable blush brush. You can get it at Olivia. I just apply it right here and make sure you're not passing the end of your eye. I have a much wider face. That's why I focus on the inside. I don't bring it outside. If you have a narrower face, you can bring it all the way out. That'll help your face look a little wider, making it a lot more proportion. You guys see how pretty this freaking blush is? It's so pretty. And then I apply some blush here in the middle, and I also like to apply it on the tip of my nose. Now draw in your brows. So let's go on with our lips and actually just use a clear color. This is the one I use, and even though it's clear, it applies really pretty on my lips. Like, look at that. Look at that. I don't know what it's doing to my lips, but it just leaves a very pretty and natural finish. So I don't really use any color, just a clear one like this. And then let's go on with our mist one more time and spray it all over. And this is the finished makeup look. I hope this helped, and follow for my key beauty tips. Bye!